What we've been talking about before, we're on problem 632 and 633 from the algebra book. What we've been doing with systems of equations is we use something called an equal values method, where we set both of the equations equal to the same variable by solving for one of them. As you can see here, this one's already solved for y. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get the other one to solve for y. I'll take 3x away from both sides, and I'll get 5y equals negative 13 minus 3x. And now I got to divide by 5, the whole thing. So I get y equals negative 13 fifths minus 3 fifths x. Well, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set these equal to each other for the equal values method. So negative x minus 7 is equal to negative 13 fifths minus 3 fifths x. So now I'm going to solve. I'm going to add 13 fifths to both sides. Let's see, negative 7, 13 fifths. This comes to 1. Dang! This is a pain. I got a better idea. Today we're going to learn a new strategy. We're going to learn a strategy called substitution. Substitution works like this. What we're going to do is we're going to take the exact same problem. Would you agree with me that y is equal to opposite of x minus 7? Okay? What we're going to use, substitution says that I can use these two things interchangeably. Where I see y, I can use opposite of x minus 7. Now, solving for two variables in one equation is a problem. Solving for one variable in one equation is not a problem. We know how to do this. Now watch. I said we can use y and opposite of x minus 7 interchangeably. Well, why not, instead of y, put the opposite of x minus 7. Now I'm going to put a little set of parentheses in to remind us that we were multiplying. Now watch this. I have one variable in here. So I can say 5, opposite of 5x. Oops. I can say opposite of 5x minus 35 plus 3x equals negative 13. This is easy. Combine like terms, negative 2x minus 35 equals negative 13. Add 35 to both sides. Negative 2x equals negative 22, or rather positive 22. Then I divide by negative 2. That means that x is equal to the opposite of 11. Great! I know what x is. What we can do is we can figure out also what y is. We can take one of our original equations. Now we know x, we can figure out what y is. Y is the opposite of x minus 7. The opposite of negative 11 minus 7 is 4. The solution of this system of equations is negative 11, 4. And that's how you use substitution to solve a system of equations. You replace, so what you do, find what one of the variables is equal to, replace the variable in one of the equations with what the other variable is equal to, solve it until you get a number value, and then replace it in the other equation to get the other variable value. We're going to work more on this as the chapter goes on. Don't worry about it.